You can use the number line bisector on Geo-Pro to bisect a line segment. Here I've drawn a segment, but let's say I didn't know where the centre was. What I can do is aim 0 on the number line roughly at the centre and then look at each end. You can see there -8 and +7, they're different numbers. What I want is the same size number at each end. So if I move it along, eventually I can see that I can get that by -7.5 at the left and 7.5 on the right. Once I've got that in position, I can mark the centre at 0. If I want a perpendicular bisector, I could also mark the protractor centre or a hole on this side of the protractor, and then turn things around and join them up. And there's a perpendicular bisector. I could also just use a grid line, line it up and just draw a bisector that way.